Hey, what's up, Lisa? This is Gordon Farley with Lead Local. Taking 4 or 5 minutes of your day, hopefully, to share bit of info. I'm sorry, a bit of info around the competitive other shops in your area in Stigler, Oklahoma. So, your site, for it looks like it's more or less homemade, is actually pretty nice. Um, Whoever did it did a really nice job. There's a couple things though that I can recommend that would help, and that is a call to action. Right here on the banners, basically, call today or call for free consultation, something like that, and then a button to call. I like it here, but I'd rather move it here, like right in the middle, so that they can see it. Um, we generally shoot for about 1,000 words on the homepage. What that does is it's very clear to Google, really, is who our main audience is. Obviously, our audience is a customer, but the main audience for a website is Google. That's what it's designed for. Secondarily, the customer, because if the customer can't see it, it really doesn't matter. So Google's got to rank it first, and then the customer. So our sites are developed specifically for Google, so that so that the customer can see them. Um, so we shoot for 1,000 words on the homepage. Very authoritative, very unique. Well written, explaining what you do and where you do it. Um, and then we go into what we call backlinks, which are essentially endorsements from other businesses. So a backlink from, say, Napa would be very powerful. And those are the things we kind of look to grab. So I want to show you a site that we've done for a client in Dayton, Ohio. And here's his site. Smith's site is Smith's Auto Dayton. And so here's what I'm talking about, like just a call to action in the middle, and then some way to reach them in a different way. So if they don't really want to call or whatever, have a form there to fill out, which I don't think you guys did. That's something I would add as well, a form to fill out at the top of the page. So we talk about content. We added a lot of content, and it's very clear what they do and where they do it. So what does that mean? So I'm going to look at your site here, Holmes Auto Repair at ueneweb.com. So this is a tool we use, the one I mentioned yesterday in my text message that was down. It's called SEM Rush, and it's basically a nerd tool that we use to analyze website stuff. Okay, so what I look for are backlinks. Unfortunately, you don't have any, but that can be easily fixed. And then the other place I look here is in the organic research, kind of where you show up, and unfortunately, you don't show up anywhere either. Again, these are really simple things to fix. Now, I'm going to show you the same metrics for Smith's Auto Dayton. Bear with me. So SEM Rush, Smith's Auto Dayton, and we come into almost 4,000 backlinks. But more importantly, what we really try to do is get the company found for the service they provide. So they're providing an auto repair, or they're a mechanic, right? That's where all the search volume is typically in a given area, is like auto repair or car repair or mechanic or mobile mechanic. Those are the search terms that we really try to weave into it, and then also follow them up with backlinks. So really, that's kind of the bread and butter of what we do. And then here's the result. So I'll do a search for auto repair Dayton, Ohio. So you see auto repair Dayton, Ohio. Well, they're right here, Smith's Auto Repair, but they're also right here. So we can do the maps as well. You guys are actually ranked on the map, so you don't need much help there. You're number one in the maps. But man, if you really want to dominate, it wouldn't take a whole lot to get you up here, especially in a town of Stigler's size. So I'd love to help you. Please reach out to me. It wouldn't take a ton. and we can make it happen. All right, I'm at 5 minutes. Thank you for your time, Lisa. Have a great night.